Hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate. You are watching the Hacker Associate broadcast. In this section, we are going to learn about Logic Analyzer. Logic Analyzer के बारे में हम समझेंगे. This is the device, okay, which we are going to use today, and we have created a proper practical session of this, how to use the device, how to connect it, and everything. So we'll be learning, okay, Logic Analyzer in this particular section. क्या होता है Logic Analyzer? What do you mean by Logic Analyzer? So this is the hardware, we can say hacker favorite companion, or we can say hardware hacker favorite companion. What actually it do? For example, let's say you know about Wireshark, right? You, with the help of Wireshark, we sniff the communication, correct? We will basically perform the middle attack. We will see the password, username, sensitive informations. We will try to break SSL and many other things. The same way, with the help of Logic Analyzer, we will sniff this hardware communication. So you can see this is the hardware. By the way, you can take any hardware, take your router, basically television or any other hardware, okay, which you have available at home. जो भी आपके पास hardware available है, you can take it, open it, okay, through a screwdriver, and then see the PCB. Once you see the PCB, you will see a lot of chips there, okay. Example, let's say in this area we have a different chips, right, in this area. So what we can do with this part, right? So a chip communicate to other chip, that exactly we want to sniff. How we can do that? That basically the solution is Logic Analyzer. So Logic Analyzer will help you a lot in order to sniff the communication, that is I2C, UART, and many other, even firmware extraction can be possible, and many other thing, okay, we can do that. So we have created a proper presentation on this, and also I'll walk you through all this, okay, in the coming part, that is a part number 2. In the part number 1, okay, we will be learning about how to use the device effectively, even if you're working with the car. Example, let's say MG Hector, BMW, or any other modern car, okay, if you are working with, this device is great. And there are many other devices, like many other devices in the sense the channels I'm talking about. Like here, if you see the channel 0, if you can see, just let me zoom it. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, you will see the channels, right? Channel 0, then we have up to 7. Basically total 8 channels we have a different devices. When you go through the further section in the practical session, where I have mentioned about all the devices which you can directly order, okay, from internet. Once you have devices, if you want to sniff the car communication like CAN protocol, I2C communication, or tons of other protocol, you can easily sniff, okay, with the help of Logic Analyzer. This is very cheap device. You can easily order, okay, from Amazon. Here, okay, you will be getting a cable like this. You connect it, and with the help of jumper wires, okay, you can connect to the target board. एक jumper wire चाहिए, Logic Analyzer you already have, okay, you have a target board, okay, anything, it can be a television, whatever it is. Identify the communication, it means identify the chip, identify all protocols, perform a proper reconnaissance, and once you perform all the reconnaissance, then the best part is you can basically connect, just like how you connect the USB, same way you connect it to the PC or whatever it is. Like there are tons of way, basically there are tons of things, okay, like we can basically use it for these sections, right? So in this case, okay, I'll connect, okay, the PC. I'll just give a power, and then I'll try to sniff the communication. So this section, okay, like I properly explained in this coming section. Just go ahead and see the practical part of it, and we'll discuss further. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. I will see you in the next episode of Hacker Associate. Have a great day. Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate. You're watching Hacker Associate broadcast. So today our topic is a Logic Analyzer, and we'll be learning how to sniff communication with the help of Logic Analyzer. So in case if you don't have, अगर आपके पास में ये device नहीं है, then okay, in that case, okay, you can go to the amazon.in, and you can simple, okay, like search Logic Analyzer, okay, in the search bar, and from here you can purchase it. Okay, it's very cheap, 750 rupees, सस्ता है. इससे बेस्ट आई थिंक आपको प्राइस नहीं मिल सकती, राइट? इट्स वेरी चीप. एंड इफ यू सिंपल सी ऑन इंटरनेट, ओके, द कॉस्टिंग अबाउट दिस LA product is very costly. So example, let's see, if I go to Logic Analyzer here, and let's see, here you can see, right, CLA Logic Analyzer. So if you go to this application, अगर आप इस application पे जाते हो, and you can see clearly by Logic Analyzer, click here and you will see the pricing. Okay, so I am having, okay, this device, okay, but generally I'm just going to use this device for today. So I can show you the practical part of it, how to use this device and how to analyze the hardware, or we can say how to sniff the communication with the help of logic analyzer. तो आप लोगों के लिए मैं ये ले रहा हूँ ताकि you can also purchase from this Amazon website and you can easily do the practical for any hardware. Okay, but in our training we are using all this, like we are using these, we are using this one 16 okay channels plus 500 this one. Okay, so even if you need more information, click on this button question mark and get more information about it. So purchase, if you want, if you're interested, you can purchase from this website, add to the cart. But for our practical purpose this is enough. तो हमारे practical के लिए ये enough है. And the question is how we can sniff the communication, right? So here okay we have a tutorial available, and if you want to download the software, okay, you can simply go to the website. Example, it's a logic analyzer download, and here okay you can see if you're using a Intel, Mac, Apple, Silicon, this software is available for all basically platform. I'm using a Mac system, so in my case okay you can see this is the logic analyzer is already opened here. All right, so in this case okay you can see if you want to sniff the communication, example let's say right now I'm sniffing I2C communication. So you need to first select analyzer from here, and you can simple select the protocol which you want to analyze. For example, let's say this one, you can simple select it and it's going to ask you for the pin. So you can see channel 0 we have a SCL and channel 1 we have a SDA. Okay, so even if you go to the Amazon website here, let me again go to the Amazon.in, right? अगर आप इस पे जाओगे वापस, then check logic analyzer and just open this link. I will show you. Okay, from here you can see clearly this is channel 0. We have as per the I2C I configured SCL okay on channel 0, and channel number 1 I configured SDA, and the last part is ground. The ground is connected with the ground. What do you mean by that? You can see I2C, SCL, SDA. So I hope you understand the basics of I2C communication. If you don't know, we will basically create a separate video for that. So in this case you can see channel 0 and channel 1 is configured. If you're not configured, you need to configure manually. Once you configure it, you need to click on this area trigger and select your protocol. Once you do that, you need to start communication like this. Okay, so once you start okay on this button, you can see it is starting. You can see clearly stopped, right? So likewise okay the communication will come okay in that way. See, this is sniffing basically the communication. So now if you have a serial basically connection, suppose this connection, if you simple type anything here, example let's say okay, so I'm simple just typing admin password, you can see access granted, and here you can see clearly whatever you typed it is here, you can see, and you can stop the communication, and here okay you can see the start address and everything is recorded in this area. You can see right data, and you can see the admin I insert, and you can see clearly the value whatever I inserted, you can see clearly it is available here. That's how you can use a logic analyzer. Okay, and if you want a different format of the data, you can also change the format of the data. Okay, so here we have option, you can see the measurement also option we have, then we have a timing maker, okay, extension also we can use it. So these all okay. Right now I'm not covering all this part, we will cover later stages. I have a program available also, complete detailed program. You can check our website hackerassociate.com, where we are teaching okay advanced hardware hacking concept okay under this offensive IoT security. So if you are new to this program, please check it. All industry related gadgets okay we are focusing on, and we will be learning how to use and how to leverage this hardware for penetration testing. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you okay in next episode regarding this. Have a great day, and see you in the next episode.